Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer. Today we're diving into another lineup of real classic motorcycles for sale right now. 10 vintage machines with history, character, and incredible value across the U.S. 1. 1973 Triumph 750 Tiger, $3,000, Omaha, Nebraska. We start our list with a true British classic, the 1973 Triumph 750 Tiger, a bike that blends old-school charm with dependable mechanical simplicity. This example runs well and carries Triumph's unmistakable 750cc parallel twin engine paired with a 5-speed transmission. The seller notes it needs a bit of tinkering, which is expected for a 42-year-old machine, but it goes down the road pretty good, making it a perfect candidate for a light restoration. At just $3,000, this Tiger remains one of the most affordable entries into vintage British motorcycling. Whether you want a weekend project or a rewarding long-term restoration, the 750 Tiger offers authenticity, character, and easy-to-source parts, making it a great platform for enthusiasts. Two. 1976 Honda CB550F Supersport, $5,200, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Next is a beautifully preserved survivor, the 1976 Honda CB550F Supersport. Known for its balance, smooth inline-4 engine, and signature shiny orange factory paint, the CB550F stands as one of Honda's most refined mid-size machines of the 1970s. This unit has just 13,000 original miles and remains completely untouched. No aftermarket parts, no modifications, and all original paint, chrome, and seat. Recently serviced with new tires, card cleaning, and fresh O-rings, it starts easily, runs smoothly, and shifts perfectly through its 5-speed gearbox. Everything from gauges to lighting works exactly as it should. Indoors stored and well-maintained, this CB550F is the type of vintage Honda collectors love. Clean, honest, and ready to ride immediately. Three. 1984 Harley-Davidson Shovel, $7,495, St. Louis, Missouri. The 1984 Shovelhead marks the final year of Harley's legendary Shovelhead engine, and this custom-built example carries plenty of character. Originally a Super Glide, this bike has been rebuilt by the seller about 4 years ago and comes equipped with a 1340cc motor, a 4-speed transmission, and a tank shift setup that adds old-school charm. It also features a multi-spark electronic ignition, newer battery, and progressive rear shocks for a smoother ride. Mileage is unknown due to the absence of a speedometer, but the bike reportedly starts and rides very well. At $7,495 firm, this is a solid chance to own a late-era Shovelhead, an engine becoming harder to find in good running condition. Four. 1976 Yamaha XS360, $2,800, Littleton, Colorado. Here we have a rare early production Yamaha XS360, a model produced for only 2 years, 1976 and 1977. This one is a low VIN, number 1672, all-original survivor that recently returned to life after years of indoor storage. It features new carbs, a fresh battery, and a new fuel petcock, giving the 360cc parallel twin a strong and smooth-running character once again. The orange exterior remains in impressive condition for its age, and the bike's lightweight and easy handling make it ideal for both new riders and vintage collectors. With international buyers welcomed and shipping assistance available, this XS360 is a standout example of a short-run Yamaha classic in honest survivor condition. Five, 1967 Moto Guzzi Stornello, $4,500, Mountain View, Arkansas. The 1967 Moto Guzzi Stornello is a lightweight Italian classic that embodies simplicity, craftsmanship, and charm. Equipped with a 125cc four-stroke engine, the Stornello is known for its smooth manners and reliability at low speeds, perfect for collectors who appreciate smaller displacement European machines. This example starts and runs well, and a new battery is already on the way. The Stornello lineup has grown increasingly collectible in recent years due to its vintage styling, easy mechanical layout, and historical significance as one of Moto Guzzi's most approachable models. At $4,500, it's a rare chance to own a 1960s Italian classic that's both fun and affordable. 6. 1981 Suzuki GS850, $3,000, Cottonwood Falls, Kansas. Suzuki's GS series built a reputation for durability, smoothness, and long-distance comfort. This 1981 GS850 appears to uphold that legacy. Recently rebuilt carburetors bring the inline-4 engine back to smooth-running condition. The seller notes it's a bit cold-blooded, which is typical of carbureted classics, but once warmed up, it runs perfectly. The GS850 is known for its strong torque, comfortable riding position, and reputation for going well past 100,000 miles with proper care. In near like-new condition and priced at $3,000, this bike offers incredible value for anyone wanting a reliable vintage Japanese tourer that's ready to ride. Seven, 1971 BSA Lightning 650, $3,900, Austin, Texas. The 1971 BSA Lightning 650 is one of the final motorcycles produced before BSA's decline, making these models especially desirable today. This example features several thoughtful upgrades: brand new AML carbs, updated 12-volt electronic ignition, and refreshed cosmetics. It runs strong even in the Texas heat, though it's reportedly a bit hard to start, common for vintage British twins. The bike vibrates noticeably, and the header crosstube has minor cracks that may need welding or replacement. Still, the seller provides full receipts, a clean title, and is open to offers or trades. For enthusiasts seeking a charismatic British twin with upgrades already done, this Lightning offers both authenticity and performance potential. 8. 1993 BMW R100R, $3,900, Enid, Oklahoma. The BMW R100R is one of the last and most refined airhead models BMW ever produced. Known for its reliability, smooth boxer torque, and modernized suspension for the era, the R100R remains a highly respected touring standard. This 1993 example has 39,797 miles, a comfortable range for an airhead that's built to handle double or triple that distance with proper care. In clean black paint and described as a very nice bike, It's likely to appeal to riders who want a dependable classic capable of long-distance riding. At $3,900, it's an excellent gateway into BMW's legendary air-cooled heritage. 9. 1974 Honda CB750K, $5,000, Copperas Cove, Texas. Here's a 1974 Honda CB750K that's been transformed with quality performance upgrades, sporting a GSXR 1000 front end, Moto triple tree, front hub and rear sets, plus a built-well handlebar and ZX6R master cylinder. This CB750 blends classic Honda muscle with modern handling. It features a fully refreshed electrical system, including new wiring, coils, plugs, a Dynatec electronic ignition, and a new AGM battery. The tires have less than 300 miles, and the seller offers delivery options to major Texas cities. For enthusiasts seeking a vintage bike with updated performance, this build provides a strong mix of reliability, customization, and everyday usability. 10. 1982 Kawasaki KZ750N Cafe Build, $4,500, Benton, Arkansas. We round out the list with a 1982 Kawasaki KZ750N transformed into a stylish cafe-inspired machine. With only around 3,600 miles, this bike remains close to stock mechanically, aside from K&N pod filters and a DynoJet carb kit that helps the twin-cylinder engine breathe better. The custom work includes coil spring shocks, clip-on handlebars, smaller turn signals, custom lighting, new switch housings, a modified headlight bracket, and a handcrafted seat. The matte white pearl 3M wrap includes gold and silver pinstriping, imperfect but fitting for a vintage aesthetic. Clean title and great running condition make this a solid buy for riders who want a cafe-style bike without building one from scratch. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. If you enjoyed these classic finds, be sure to like and subscribe. More vintage motorcycle gems are coming your way.